Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to merge columns in Power BI. Now the first thing I want you to do is launch up Power BI. Come here, click on Home in the top panel, and then click on a Transform Data. This will open up the Power Query Editor. Now, from here, once this loads up, I'll show you exactly what we need to do. So we'll do this table right here, orders, and in this one I do have, let's say, city and country, right? So I will go ahead and merge these two columns. The first thing I want you to do is come here, click on transform, okay? And then select this column and then select the other one, okay? Make sure you're holding a control on your keyboard as you click on both of them. And you see this option right here that says merge columns. Go ahead and click on this. And when this pop-up opens up, I want you to go ahead and choose your separator if you want one. I'll just do a comma. Now, if you're doing, for example, first name, last name, you can do a space as the separator, right? Right here, I'll just do a comma. And what would be the new column name? This is optional. Let's make it city, comma, country, okay? That will be my new column name. Click here on OK, and there we go. Our new merge column has been created. City, country, and it's really that easy and simple.